So Bitcoin has pulled back. What is going to happen next? Let's get to it. So we're going to start here on coin market cap. The total market cap of crypto globally is down 0.47% at the time of recording and stands at a whopping $2.75 trillion. And Bitcoin has been slipping. It's down 4.58% at the time of recording at 69,916.71, but it's still up 3.38% in the past 7 days. Ethereum has dropped down to 3,804.99. Are we about to see the pullback before the halving? Now, this is something that we've traditionally seen over, the small amount of Bitcoin history that there is. In the halving, it's quite common either in the lead up or immediately after the halving that we see a bit of a pullback. So could we be seeing that now? Possibly. Time will tell. My feeling is that we're going to rebound and, start to move on, up, but time will tell. We've got Bitcoin sell off 3% as macro risk returning to the market. Economic data on Thursday has sent interest rates and the dollar higher, which obviously impacts your risk assets. So look, this is something that we've been talking about on this channel for some time, but I do think that the market will recover. It's just a bit of an initial shock, and I think your institutions are going to continue to buy Bitcoin. Time will tell whether I'm right or wrong. Bitcoin has 6 months until the ETF liquidity crisis new analysis. So this is Bitcoin ETFs are sucking up all of the Bitcoin that is available for purchase, and is a tipping point supply dynamic will come this year, according to one analyst. And this is exactly what I've been talking about. The supply and the demand is out of kilter at the moment. So it's going to be interesting to see how this develops over the coming weeks and months. We got altcoin crash imminent, $1 million for Bitcoin advocate, is warning of a impending crash. Look, the data indicates that you can't just continue to go up. We're going to have a bit of a cooling off period, and the macro environment doesn't look good. This is something that we've talked about on this channel for some time. Fed pivot crash in stocks and crypto is something that we've talked about for some time, and I do think that will come to fruition. I am very confident on it, and I have conviction with everything that I say on this channel. It is purely my opinion. Nobody pays me to say this shit, and we've been very, very accurate with all of our predictions in the crypto market. The only prediction that I think that we haven't been as accurate as I would have liked is we're expecting the move to the upside, but not to the level that we've seen with Bitcoin. We certainly weren't expecting new all-time highs before the Bitcoin halving. And I think anybody that says that they would be talking out of their ass. It's just my opinion. Let me know your thoughts and opinions in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button. Really does support the channel, and we really do appreciate it. Hong Kong's market regulator issues warning against crypto exchange Bybit. The Securities and Futures Commission added 11 Bybit products to its list of suspicious investments. There is a war between traditional finance and exchanges in crypto. We've seen this. I actually talked with somebody at NatWest yesterday, and they were saying that, the bank, and they work there, is concerned around, crypto and the exchanges, and that you would have problems onboarding onto exchanges from NatWest. So this is direct from the people that work at the banks. They're not happy, right? Crypto is a threat to the banks. Let's be really quite clear on that. Another crypto mining boom threatens CPU prices. And look, this is something to be aware of with the Bitcoin halving, computer chips and stuff like that. The higher end ones are going to become more expensive because the demand for them is going to be so high when the halving happens. And the lead up to the halving, right? We've seen crypto miners, making really high, like world record purchases of new equipment, right? So, this is to be seen, right, in the price of the chips. We've got Visa and MasterCard could play, a key role for crypto in the year ahead. Visa and MasterCard are both working on crypto, projects within their companies that could encourage more adoption if they offer crypto reward programs on a wider basis. And we're seeing more and more cards from exchanges and other crypto platforms. I think that Visa and MasterCard would be crazy not to be getting involved in this sector themselves directly. So it's going to be really interesting to see this happen. Satoshi, well, it isn't this guy. Craig Wright is not Satoshi. A judge has ruled the computer scientist is not the Bitcoin inventor. As much as he says he is, he's full of shit. So there we go. You probably wanted to know that. And we got Michael Saylor's MicroStrategy is raising another $500 million to buy more Bitcoin. So look, I really do feel that Michael Saylor will be talked about in history in the future as one of these individuals that went on to become the world's richest man and was so right about Bitcoin, and his conviction is something that is really, really interesting. So that's my prediction for you. But again, we're going to see more and more of this Bitcoin being eaten up. I've said this before. If you hold, a Bitcoin, I don't know, I probably wouldn't be selling it. If I owned 2 Bitcoin, I'd be keeping one and sticking it in a trust and, using that for my family over time. And, generational wealth, I think, will come from that, just that one Bitcoin, because the demand dynamic at the moment is not there, right? It's fractured. And yeah, look, it's just inevitable in my eyes that towards the end of this year, we're going to have even higher prices that are inconceivable when it comes to Bitcoin and the crypto market. It's going to be really interesting to see how things play out with the likes of Ethereum, Solana, XRP, Cardano, Chainlink, because I think all of these altcoins have potential to have their own spot ETFs in the future. So positioning into some of these assets, in my opinion, could be a really good play. Same with level two. What am I talking about? Layer 2s on Ethereum and Bitcoin. Again, other chains as well, like Near Protocol's got Aurora. I really do like that project. Another one to go do some research on. But, this is my opinion. It's not financial advice. Go do your own research. You do you. I'll do me. Investing in crypto can be so risky. Imagine buying Bitcoin at 73,000 and today we're down to 69,500. So, that's the sort of stuff you need to be, mindful of, right? All these people talking about, the price is going up, there needs to be a level of realism as well. So I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, mash up that like button, subscribe if you haven't subscribed already, tapping that bell, selecting all the notifications so you never miss a video, and check out this video for the latest update in crypto. Thanks for watching. Take care, and I'll catch you in the next one.